All right, let's dive into one of the most direct, no-nonsense trends in the creator economy. We're talking about getting paid for your time, literally, down to the minute. It's called pay-per-minute chat, and today we're going to break down exactly how it's changing the game for creators.
So this is the big question, right? Whether you're a coach, an influencer, or any kind of expert, how do you stop just, giving your time away for free and start turning every single one of those interactions into a real, reliable paycheck?
And let's be real, it's a huge challenge. So many creators are stuck with unpredictable ad revenue or maybe flat subscriptions that don't really match the effort they're putting in. Or worse, platforms that take a massive cut. It just feels like you're constantly working harder, but not necessarily earning what you're worth.
Well, there's a solution that tackles this problem head-on. It's called pay-per-minute software, or PPM for short. And honestly, it's a total game changer for how creators and experts can actually monetize their skills.
At its heart, it's super simple. Think of PPM software as a tool that lets you charge a user for every single minute they spend talking to you in real time. Doesn't matter if it's a video call, a live chat, or just an audio session, it's like a taxi meter for your time. The meter is always running, making sure you're getting valued for every second.
But this isn't just some fancy billing tool. It's a whole new way of thinking. It directly connects your time to your income, and it's completely transparent for the customer. It even handles all the awkward payment stuff automatically. And as you're about to see, it is incredibly flexible.
So, we know what it is, but why is this model just exploding right now? What's the secret sauce that makes it so powerful for today's entrepreneurs and creators?
This quote really just hits the nail on the head. The whole model is built on two simple, powerful ideas. You, the creator, get paid fairly for your expertise, and your audience gets an exclusive, on-demand experience they can't get anywhere else. You're not selling a pre-made product. You're selling direct, valuable access to you.
And that's why it's a true win-win. For creators, you get to maximize what you earn with a system that's easy to use and can grow with you. And for customers, it's all about trust. They know exactly what they're paying for. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just pure on-demand service. The whole relationship is built on total clarity.
Okay, this all sounds great in theory, but how do you actually do it? How do you put this into practice? Let's take a look at the different kinds of platforms that can get you up and running.
You've essentially got two main paths to choose from. Path 1, you can join an existing marketplace where there's already an audience waiting for you. Path 2, you can take full control and launch your very own, fully branded website. And of course, each one has its pros and cons.
This table kind of breaks it all down. Now, the key thing I want you to notice is the connection between the type of platform and your revenue share. See how that works? The more ownership you take, going from a simple marketplace all the way up to your own white label site, the higher your cut of the money is. A marketplace might get you started fast, but they'll take maybe 25%. A custom solution lets you keep pretty much everything.
I mean, just look at the difference here. It's huge. A marketplace is easy, sure, but that 25% platform fee, that adds up incredibly fast. With a white label solution, you're keeping nearly all of your hard-earned revenue. It's that classic trade-off, convenience versus control and profit.
So really, your path to launching is this simple. First, you just pick the model that feels right for you and your brand. Second, and this is the big one, you set your per-minute rate. You decide what your time and expertise are actually worth. And third, you just go live. You can literally start earning money from the very first session you do.
So let's zoom out for a second. We've seen what PPM is and how you can get started. But what does this all mean for the future of doing business online? What's the big picture here?
The sheer variety of people using this is, well, it's pretty stunning. While it's definitely big with webcam models and OnlyFans creators, the exact same tech is being used by professional consultants, life coaches, therapists, fitness trainers, even super niche services like virtual friends and tarot readers. Basically, if you can share your expertise one-on-one, this model can work for you.
And that really brings us to the most important point of all. The real power here, the secret sauce. It's not just the billing system or the high revenue share. It's about building a fundamentally different kind of relationship with your audience, one that's direct, totally transparent, and based on real mutual value.
Which leaves us with one last thing to think about. In an economy that's so often filled with confusing ads, sponsorships, and hidden fees, could it be that a simple, direct payment for someone's dedicated time is the most honest and authentic transaction we've got? It's definitely something worth considering.